Don't be a graphic designer that will give your client stress. Master your applications, master your graphic work, master your artwork, master anything that you are engaging, anything that you are doing as your profession. Master it, because at the end, it is what sells you out. Sometimes people will tell you, you need to market, you need to market. Yes, you need to market. Trust me, one of the biggest marketing tool is you doing your job professionally, not making the client to be stressed, not making your client to be angry, not making your client to feel like, no, I'm not going to give you a job next time. Sometimes it's not easy. As a graphic designer, you do all the hard work from the beginning to the end just for the client to tell you, no, genuinely, no, deferral ma benen. Do you know how crazy that can be? It's stressful. But as a graphic designer, you have to be patient with your client, because you're the one who said you can do the job. So if you have some difficult client, you have to be patient with them, because at the end of the day, you're not going to do that job forever. It's just a matter of time before he or she tells you, wow, legi mom, bahna. Now it is good. Now we are okay. Now we got it. Every graphic designer is looking for that point where the client will tell you, we are there. Excellent. You did well. Job well done. Be patient when you are doing a job for a client.